Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This problem is from 2012 Aime 1, problem number 12. Triangle ABC be a right triangle with right angle at C. Let's draw a scratch diagram. So here is C. Let D and E be points on AB. So this is AB. With D between A and E, so E is here, D is here, and such that CD, and CE trisector angle C. This is 90 degree. Trisector means 30 degree, right? So here is D, here is E, and it says DE over BE, DE over BE is 8 to 15. So I say 8T, 15T, right? Then tangent B, so we want to know, to calculate tangent B. So we know tangent B, we can use AC over BC, but here is nothing, no, it's hard to find a relationship between DEEB because the information give us just this, and here is 30 degree, and 30 degree. So when we find a right triangle and a 30 degree, the first glance and idea come to me is I should do this. From D to perpendicular CDEF, right? Perpendicular to the BC. Why? Because 30 degree, you see, here also must be 30 degree, right? 30 degree is a 30, 60, 90 is an special right triangle. And also we see CE 30. Yeah, we can easily to think about. This is a angle bisector, CE angle bisector. So we wanted to find the tangent B, right? If we can find, we find DF over FB, it will be solved, right? So this is 8T, 15T. So let us find the relationship between them. Angle bisector theorem and special triangles. Okay, let us suppose CF equals A, okay? If this is A, and CD will be 2A, right? CD is 2A, CD equals 2A. Now, according to the angle bisector theorem, CD over CB equals DE over BE. So equals which one? 8T over 15T, of course, 8 over 15. Yeah. So now we know CD is 2A. It means 2A over BC equals 8 over 15. So here is 2, here then is 4. So it means 4BC equals 15A, then BC equals 15 over 4A. So now the problem is almost solved. Why? BC equals 15 over, so it means BC, right? BC equals 15 over 4A. Then how long for BF? So BF f equals 15 fourths a minus a, so 11 over 4a, right? So now we know how long for df. df is, this is a to a, so it's the square root of 3a. Now we can get tangent b equals df over bf. df is this one, square root of 3, and bf, right? bf is this one, 11 over 4a, so is a and a, so 4 times square root of 3 over 11. So final answer, m plus p equals 4 plus 3 plus 11 equals 0, 18, right? 7 plus 11, yeah, that's it. So this problem is really not hard, and we just need to think the problem flexibly. Maybe this word is not so accurate, but I just wanted to say, when you see here 30 30 and the right triangle, you can think about special 30 60 90 degree right triangle, and see 30 30, and you will think about that angle bisector theorem and find how to use given information to express what you want to get. So just step by step and some basic concepts and theorem, you will find this is not so hard. And I hope you can enjoy. Thank you.